Load your family into the 2014 Jeep Patriot. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.